Ekaro, Ekason, Ekale, and this is CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Primate Ayédélé tún ti jáde o pẹ̀lú àwọn àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ tó lágbára lórí ìjọba Bàbá Tinubu àti àwọn Yoruba kings. Wọ́n ní kidnapping àwọn Yoruba kings máa wà o àti political assassination gan wọ́n ní gbogbo ẹ̀ máa ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí. Wọ́n ní election yìí serious wàhálà gidigidi gan máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ náà tún fóun ránṣẹ́ sí president Ghana wò eléyìí pọ̀ ẹja jọ gbọ́ ohun tí bàbá Primate Ayédélé sọ lórí àwọn àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ oríṣiríṣi lórí ìlú Nàìjíríà àti gbogbo ohun tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. Ẹ̀mí náà máa fi opinion sínú comment bó bá ṣe ń jáde òun náà láti máa mú wá sétí ìgbọ̀yìn ẹja jọ gbọ́.
Wọ́n say 10,000. You don't reply prophet. You don't leave the prophet alone. Let God judge. I don't even have anything against him. Don't worry, let's leave him. So that is that. I'm only telling the public the essence of our prophecies. And to the government and people who are in security, we've warned you of several things. Why can't you be taken to all of these warnings? We warn of kidnapping of Obas. It happens. Now government officials will be kidnapped, prominent people. Political assassination. Delta, River State, Cross River. Even Lagos State. Yes. If I support anybody, I'm not supporting you for you to embrace me. As the Lord said, God said this. Let's wait. You will see what will happen now. It's all about time. You will see that people will come against rigging. Rigging will not go to anywhere. Rigging, no way. People will stand this election. I still repeat, if care is not taken, if government do not carefully manage the election, interim government might come to existence. Interim, because they will fight. There can be bloodshed. That's why we have to pray. That's why government have to listen to the areas. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Take a step. We have people that we are guiding. They are in government, police, generals who are commanders. We warn them and they listen. I can tell you some state there can be no crisis in this state because they will know beforehand and they will take the preventive measures. We have helped people to that level. So if we are giving you warnings, it's for your own good. APC cannot make all the states. They cannot. But let's wait for the time. Time will tell. Time will tell. Some people will talk. Maybe you say Mahama will not win. Maybe you say, no, yes. I'm angry with Mahama. Mahama is my friend, Ghanaian president. I helped him to become a president. Babatunde Elijah, helped John Mahama to be president. Let him come out to deny it. I help him even with my money when he cannot pay me. And why I'm angry with him is that he did not go with our agreement. I'm the one who taught him how to win the election in Ghana. It's a categorical statement. Let him say no, then I bring a proof. Politicians, they are ingrate. Politicians, they are devil. Devil is better than many politicians. Joyce Branda, the former president of Malawi, I helped him to become a president. When she was the vice president, I told her that you become a president. She didn't believe it. Put it like that. Let him say no. I have records. Joyce Branda. So we have helped a lot of people. It's not mouth. So whatever we are saying now is for the nation to be cautioned about it. We're not saying it to create tension or panic, but to advise. Don't do this, do this. This will be good. This This will not be good. They have to work. We have to work towards election 2027 for it to have peace, to be peaceful, because Northerners don't want Tinubu at all, and they believe that he cannot win in the north. And if you win any police station or any state, they will turn it to wahala. So it's possible they will not even announce the winner. So these are warnings. Watch. 2014, December 24, son. When I said Jonathan will be last PDP president, people, they don't understand. Hey, you said Jonathan will. Hey, you say Kindekon. There are areas where we try to explain prophecy. You explain what you see. We explain, this is what this thing is. This is how it's going to end. Simple. So, once again, I want to thank all our supporters all over the world. I want to say thank you to you all for encouraging us to come alive on Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. They must know us for very, very important thing, that okay, this church is a prophetical church, and we stand by our prophecies. And prophecy has said, I don't need to twist it. If there's going to be change, I will tell a change as it's going, it might not go to that direction. Don't misinterpret our prophecies. You can always reach us on our phone, +234 80 330 You can reach us for very clarity of any of our prophecies. That what do you say about this? This is what we say, and this is what we mean. Simple. Then, if you have, take it serious, don't take it serious. I still want to warn Atake Ibori that he will have a lot of political misconception, misunderstanding, and he must watch our life very, very well. Very, very well. Very, very well. It's very important. Lawan Ahmed, they will want to fight you to the extent that you'll be frustrated and lose your focus on your governorship. Seek the face of God before it's too late. Seek the face of God before it's too late. Otherwise, they will obstruct it. Pray. Seek the face of the God. It's not too late to get it now, but you are about to lose it. Pray very well. Tanzania president, change all your security aids. They will betray you. Tinubu still work on this economic hardship. Work on it too. They will use it to fight you. The economy will be very hard in the couple of weeks. Gabon president, don't take a wrong step. That wrong step can boomerang and can terminate your government prematurely. Watch very well. Ogun State, Emura o, koma ji enikeni yin gbe o. Ogun State, Ondo State, Ekiti State. Then I need to say this. After second time of bow, Ikere Ekiti may not get governorship. If you don't brace up, they will not give you. Let's see and watch. It is not yet over. Another emir will be kidnapped. Another king will be kidnapped. In Yoruba Obas, they will embarrass you. Watch out politically. The following places they should watch carefully in these following places. Urgently needs security attention. Ondo State, Benue, Jos, Taraba, Borno, Kebbi, Kaduna, Sokoto, Kwara. They can do and undo in these places that can cause a lot of casualties. The government should watch this place.